Day Say Kids.
Poster writing. In this video, I am going to explain how to design a poster in an easy way. First of all, we are going to see what are posters. Posters are boards or banners which display in public. It may be announcements, advertisements or invitations, something like that. Simply giving information for all sorts of people. Some important rules for designing posters. Posters should be colorful and should be attractive. It should be carefully designed to attract the attention of readers. Should be designed from the point of audience. Do not give too much of details. Should highlight only the important queries. Should be placed all content in a box. Okay, now start to design the poster according to the rules. Design a poster for ScienceFair organized by Day Say Kids. You may use slogans. Do not exceed 50 words. Give a suitable title for the poster. Then add a small phrases to the left of the poster inside any shapes. Then in the middle of the poster, give the name of the program inside a suitable drawing. Right of the poster, I add a small clipboard based on the theme of ScienceFair. Below to the picture, I add the caption of save the date and the date when the event conducted. Add the details by whom the event organized. Finally, end with suitable caption, that is, let's join hands together and support our kids. Design a poster for blood donation camp organized by Day Say Kids. You may use slogans. Do not exceed 50 words. In this poster, there is a heading in black color with bold format, that is, blood donation camp. Then there is a caption for this poster, that is, donate a little bit of your blood to save one's life. After that, there is simple clipboard added to the poster, left and right to the clipboard. There are two simple phrases for the poster. Then there is a small slogan below to the clipboard, that is, be a hero, not a zero. After that, include by whom the event organized. Then add details such as date, venue, time and contact. Whatever details you want to add here about the events. Then finish with a simple caption. Donate your blood and bring happiness to someone's face. Finally, we design a poster with neat presentation based on the given headings. Now we are going to design a poster based on some other topics. Likewise, design a poster as your creativity. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.